there with it. Today I'm gonna be answering. Oh my goodness! Today I'll be answering the question that one of y'all asked me, and it's my dog AOD92. That's all it counts. Asked me how do I just asked the question exactly how it's read. You know what I'm saying? What motivates you before doing a custom? Me personally, I have two parts to that answer because I feel like there's some other stuff that I can address within that answer, that question. So what motivates me before a custom? Honestly, just getting it done. And seeing what they gonna look like afterwards. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it depends on the custom too. If it's something new that I've never done before, that is something that motivates me, seeing it get done. And if it's something that I have done before, like, you know, things that I create, like my jokers or neon explosions, all the other customs that I create, my donuts and whatever, I just gotta be completely transparent. Getting that order out of here, you know what I'm saying? That motivates me. I need to get that done, get that to that person so that person can wear them, feel good about they spent their money. And then if the more people have their shoes, the faster they have their shoes, the more they can get worn. You feel me? So I can get that marketing and have those people, you know, keep on spreading good word about, you know, what I got going on and stuff like that. So that definitely motivates me in a sense of with things that I've already created and I'm trying to mass produce and stuff like that. So I would say that motivates me in that aspect. But with newer projects, with something that I just have to do, somebody asked me about commission work and stuff like that. Just like right now, I have to do a couple more pairs of the like for the Nashville soccer team. Got to do that. So I definitely want to keep on pumping those out and see what I can do with new concepts, because it's actually the second pair that I have to do, but see what else I can create new, what kind of dopeness or creativity I can pump into this next pair of shoes. So that motivates me in that sense. And then another thing is just opportunity, man. What motivates me is knowing that I have this opportunity and not taking it for granted. When somebody trusts you to do something for them and they're paying a healthy amount of money, you don't need to take that for granted, man, because I pay for all of this. I pay for my car, my house, my lifestyle, what I eat. Everything that I am comes from other people buying what I produce. So I try not to ever take that for granted, because I could be in a totally different situation. I could be in a situation to where I was at the beginning of this, when I was working a job that I didn't want to work, that was paying me nothing near what I feel like I'm worth, and still trying to do my customs and stuff like that. So I always appreciate what God has done in my life, because it could be way worse. You know, no, I'm not rich. I'm not a millionaire. IRS may be watching, but yeah, I'm not at a certain point, but I'm comfortable, man. I'm comfortable. I'm blessed. I am granted with major opportunity to keep on growing. So that definitely motivates me to see how far can I take this. You feel what I'm saying? And then another thing that motivates me is y'all. I know when I do something great and I elevate, that means I show y'all that it is possible. It's very possible for you to do exactly what I'm doing, or even bigger on a larger scale than what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Because there's certain people I meet, and that's what's crazy to me at this point. Because I'm not the biggest YouTuber in the world, but I do meet some of y'all, and y'all expressing how it helps y'all, even within the comments, how it helps y'all and helps you get through certain times, or help you to be motivated to do whatever you want to do. It may not even be customs, but just grab a hold of your life and take it into your hands and make it what you want it to be. So, you know, that definitely motivates me. Y'all are a big motivation for me, and just people in general. It may be people that I've never met before that may see my table or something like that at a certain event, and they may have been thinking, man, maybe I want to do customs, or any kinds of art or just anything related to what I'm doing, and seeing a young black man being able to do it may inspire another young black man. But you don't have to be black, you know what I'm saying? But just being transparent with y'all, I've been in certain situations and certain lifestyles that are prominent in the black community, I would say, and I just want to show people, especially young black men, that it's another way, bro. You don't have to do stuff risking your life. You don't have to, risking your freedom and all kinds of other stuff, having to look over your shoulder and do all kinds of crazy, stupid stuff just to make $1. Cause I'm gonna be honest with y'all, you know what I'm saying? And y'all can clip this and you can spread it around all your social medias or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I make more money than your dope boy, you know what I'm saying? I make way more money than your dope boy, and I stand on that. And I don't have to look over my shoulder. I still, you know what I'm saying? I'm from Memphis, so like I said, I've been in certain situations to where, it has molded me in a certain way. So if there's any devil out there trying to try something, I will send you to go meet my savior, and then you will go to your whoever you got going on, cause you know what I'm saying, you know who we rocking with, Big Jesus over here, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, now we got that out the way. But but yeah, man, y'all motivate me a whole lot more than y'all know. That's why I try to stay consistent with my videos, because I know it's like every time I'm not consistent and then I come back, it's like a new person, be like, man, this really helped me. Or even if I'm not dropping, it's people looking at old videos and like, man, this really helped me. I appreciate you for making it. So this is why I do it, man. I do it for y'all, and I do it for the glory of the Lord. He loves me, so I love y'all, which are his people. Love all y'all, man, you know what I'm saying? Even if it's sometimes like this morning I was on TikTok. I had dropped a video on TikTok. I ain't did that in a couple of months. But one person was like, these shoes are ugly AF. They were funny to me. I'm like being so genuine. The jump was funny to me, so I like this comment. I told him, you know what I'm saying? I love him, cause I do, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause like sometimes you don't know what other people are going through. They may have hopped on the internet just to kind of release some of that anger or anguish or torment that they're facing in their life, and they try to take it out on you, so you can reverse that and turn it into something positive and probably reach their heart by just showing them the love that they need in that moment. You feel what I'm saying? So I always remember that, man. You don't know what people are going through. Even if they try to be evil, reverse it with your good and your love. You know what I'm saying? Walk in love, not in hate or retaliation. So anyway, that is all for right now. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. Join the squad, you feel what I'm saying? I'm at the guy. Gonna see you in the next one.
I can't stop, I go get money.